In this video, I'm going to be revealing 4 easy ways for you guys to work from home. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways in which you guys can start working from home if this is something what you're looking for. Let me share with you my screen. Okay, so this is something that you guys can do. Okay, and let me start talking about the very first way to earn money while you're working from home, which is actually by doing freelance. Okay, you can work for yourself and you can start doing freelance. There are several websites in which you can enroll, and don't worry, you can enroll them for free. For example, you can go to Upwork, you can go to upwork.com and you can have, you know, the opportunity to do gigs. Okay, so these are projects in which you're going to be doing some certain tasks, and after you finish you're going to get paid, or you can have the opportunity to be doing ongoing projects. Okay, this is something that you can start doing for free. There is no cost to join. You can register and you can literally share all the skills that you have. If Let me show you something, okay, just in case that you are like, okay, which are the things that I can offer. Okay, so for example, you can be a 3D modeler. Maybe you are an Amazon FBA specialist. Okay, maybe you are an accountant. Maybe you have experience with affiliate marketing. You are a designer. You can go with book designer. Okay, you can be a blog writer. You can be a copy editor. You can be a copywriter. Okay, so literally you're gonna have a tons of opportunities here for you guys to enjoy. You can be to join. You can actually be a translator. You can actually okay, here, for example, we have people who speak Korean, so you can translate from Korean to English. Okay. So if you're good with Microsoft Office, generally speaking, Excel, PowerPoint, all this stuff, okay, you can actually be doing that. Okay, you can also be doing voiceovers. You can also be doing surveys. Okay, so here is everything literally that you can actually do. So this is a really reliable website that has been around for a really, really long time. So you can actually offer your skills, everything that you know. Okay, I'm pretty sure that you're going to have the opportunity to offer it here on Upwork. Okay, so you're going to go to upwork.com and you can actually join, as I mentioned, you guys for free. There is another website that you can actually use as well, which is pretty similar to upwork.com, which is called freelancer.com. Okay, here on freelancer.com, it's basically the same. Okay, so if you're asking me like, Diana, do I go and choose between one or the other? Hey, go ahead and join as many websites as you can. Okay, these are just 2 examples. There are tons of websites out there. Okay, and people are freaking seeking for freelancer every single day. So there is a lot of opportunity for you guys to earn money. Okay, on freelancer.com, you are gonna join here where it says earn money freelancing. Okay, and that's how you're gonna start your process. Okay, don't worry, again, there is no upfront costs. Okay, but you are gonna be, working on your spare time since you're gonna be a freelancer. So this is not something that you're gonna have a regular schedule. Okay, another way in which you guys can earn, okay, money from home, working from home, is by creating or by actually publishing ebooks. Okay, this is something huge, and there is a lot of opportunities here. Okay, you can go to be an Amazon sales publisher. Okay, you can do a quick search here with Amazon sales publishing, and you are going to be clicking on the very first link. Okay, this is going to be associated with your current Amazon account. Okay, and you can create different books. Okay, there is a huge market here, as you can see here in Amazon on the Kindle store. People are talking literally about anything. Okay, So you're going to have the opportunity to be an author. Okay. Um, you can talk about a topic that you really like, that you really enjoy, you're really passionate. If you have graphic design skills, you can have the opportunity to do, uh, you know, work that way with the Kindle store. Okay. So there is a huge market here for you guys. Okay. So the possibilities here are really limitless, and you are going to have the opportunity to upload ebook on different languages. So if you love to write, definitely this is a good opportunity. And the fact that this is going to be passive income, because you're going to be doing the work once and it's going to be there. Okay. As a regular book, you're going to be as a regular author. Okay. You're going to write it once, and if someone makes the purchase, you're going to be earning money. This is the Amazon self-publishing or the Amazon Kindle program. Okay. Again, remember, this is going to be actually on your Amazon account. So if you already have an account, you already have the opportunity to be a self-publisher with the Amazon Kindle program. Another way that you guys can actually earn money, it's by starting a niche blog. Okay. And when I talk about a niche blog, I'm talking about not like a regular magazine that you're going to be talking about, like maybe something about entertainment. Maybe you're going to be talking about technology. Then you're going to have another category that is going to be about relationships. No, I'm talking about a niche blog. Okay. The top three niches, if you're looking to earn money online, and this doesn't mean that you are not going to be able to earn money with other niches, is actually health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. Those are the top three niches if you're looking to earn money with a blog. So it's health, wealth, and relationship. You can also be niche specific. Like, for example, if you're in the health industry, maybe you are going to be talking just about weight loss. You can go more specific, and maybe your target audience are going to be women who are looking to lose weight. So, okay, so it's going to be niche specific. Okay, this is actually a great way in which you can actually earn money. Remember, the top three niches right now to earn money online are health, wealth, and relationships. Diana, what if I love video games? Can I actually monetize it? Yes, you can. I know people who are in the gaming space. They love it. But remember, I'm just talking about like the top three niches. Okay. And also based on my experience, maybe you guys don't know, but I used to have a blogging network before. Okay. So let me share with you an example of a really great blog. Okay. This is called Making Sense of Sense. Okay. You can go to makingsenseofsense.com, and she is actually writing in the um, wealth niche. Okay. She helps people how to earn money with different ways. Okay. If you want to start a business, if you're looking to work from home, if you're looking to go with paid surveys. Okay. So there are different ways in which you can actually earn money. Okay. Is, that's what she's actually teaching or showing people. Okay. And I want to show you some, well, the income report. Okay. The income report, this has been updated as April 13, 2024. Okay. So if I scroll down, you're gonna see something really important here. She actually started her blog on 2011, if I'm not wrong. Let me scroll down here. Okay, yeah, from 2011. So far it's 2024. This is the person. She's Michelle. She's okay. She has been really consistent, and you are gonna see like here. Okay, how much I have earned over the years with the blogs. Okay, on 2013, she earned over six figures. Again, here over six figures per year. Okay. On 2016, she almost reached a million, 1.5 on 2017, 1.5 as November 2018. Okay, if I scroll down, I'm going to have the opportunity to show you more of her income proof. On the very first month, she earned $670, $72, which is actually not bad. On the second month, almost 1,000, and so on. So this is not something that you're going to be getting rich like overnight, as you can see all her income reports. But if you are looking for a great way to earn money online, and this is something that is going to be passive with time, it's going to be passive, you definitely consider start a niche blog. Okay, you definitely need to consider start a niche blog. The fourth way to earn money online is definitely with affiliate marketing. This is something that I has been doing for the last 6 years, and guys, there is a lot of opportunity out there. Over 80% of the companies are willing to pay you to promote their products or service. The one cool thing is that you don't need to own the product. You don't need to own the service. Okay, with affiliate marketing, you're going to be basically a middleman. Okay, basically here you have someone who created product or the service. Here you're going to have someone who is going to be looking for the product or the service, and you're going to be here. You're going to be telling them like, hey, you have a problem? No worries, I have a solution. You're not going to be paying anything extra, but you're going to be earning money with this. Okay, so you don't need to actually worry about customer service, tech support, payment processor, creating a product, creating a service, delivering. No, you're literally sharing a link. Okay, I mean, someone buy, you are going to be earning money. Okay, a great website in which you can actually find products to promote. It's called Amazon. I'm pretty sure that you already hear about it. Here on Amazon.com, you're going to have tons of products that you can promote. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you can click here where it says become become an affiliate. Okay, here it's become an affiliate, and this is also going to be associated with your current Amazon account. Okay, this is also going to be associated with your Amazon account, and you're going to have the opportunity to promote all the products. Okay, for example, I have this tumbler. This is something that I really enjoy. Actually, my dad was the one who referred me to this product, but he didn't know that he can earn money with this. But since I have the knowledge, okay, I'm promoting it and actually selling it. Once you get approved to be an Amazon, they call it associate. You're gonna have your own link. Okay, it's gonna be something like this. This is my affiliate link. Okay, and every single time I share it, people make a purchase, I'm actually earning a commission. Okay, one cool thing about Amazon is that if you refer someone to that product, but he or she did not purchase it, but they end up purchasing our products, you are going to be earning a commission as well. Okay, so these are really great ways, guys, if you are actually looking to earn money online. If you want to learn more about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. I hope you actually guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.